And there be a make say me, I don't attack personality, I attack institutions. But some more case more to also say because someone who say nipa we a juma no betumi aye nipa we so ba sabi wo MP na juma wo ya ensem fata no obe keep on your toes obe question wo no obe put one or mine first ni two party first and sana wo MP no wo personal interest abanti mu tu sana mo no samanja ya ye ne mo be kono se de ye ne mo be kono mo be hu se ye ne mu ye mu bi ye ni ma juma no ye. But at the end, say, you're my field, you know, and you're fertile, and you're open, and you're free from Mobia, no Bianco. Uncle Canning some and for charity member for Uncle Canning some and delegates, Uncle Canning some and voters. So voters say you more near to Obama near you know. But a war so that's a war so would do when I be see for Mubetium. Obesoriatia. Massa. Because it's easy say nipa no what me arise here free baby what free kwakudru say or ye national NALAC vice president. It's not easy. You feel so sorry preocupe no kodru ho ni nyuma ene di na kwakudru ho. Maybe no so, but I am just throwing this caution to Ashanti region MPs na mo ye mo ho say mo sorry atia na mo pesa mo ye nema bia ensem fatal. If you don't know, go and ask. Ye mu bi ye ni majuma na ye pa. Me come ask me can play me nim say ye wadre ho de ni o mase me can say dey sit here obefa me ho tan afa obepa ma asema pe ompa me ni how because after all I am not born for everybody to love me. Ade Akye Mama yanya isa su ni ban no emwa sa su ni ban no emwa ensem fata because mo who say nipa no like rigid no nyina obi aginatum obi apenasem obi ehunu say adwuma no betumi aye obi ehu say oni obi relate well oni obi ahia obi oni adi nkomo amwasa hu say sa nipa yi de mo ntumi emfa no mfa kwati kwan so ma ne nye kwati kwan dwuma bi mfa ma munti no mommy are very careful pa anopai se didi enkomo wi a ye ne honorable Daniel Kwaku Mensa dodo na friend DKM ene ne be hia ofidie mu ana fe ye di nkomo ebedi nkomo pa nti me kase ebedi nkomo anopai I want you to have a feel of your conversation there because no said ye be siako so ye be din komo pa no pay. Trust me, ye be din komo. I will ask questions. I will ask. The person who say nipa no self ata. Di brena oba be pen nti e wo se wo. Odi okokromoti ma na say. En se wo odi okokromoti de ma no. Timene be din komo. E be din komo. O NPP constituency organizer Manson Kwanta Sansu assembly member Manso Mosiasi electoral area national vice president NALAC and also Sansu regional organizer hopeful our Ashanti region many opini every day she mo fidi mo na fi yadi nkomo afi yanko yansem so enra medical the appeal bi ade tuja anopa no me the appeal bi the tuja me the Ghana police service say yebesre Senka se Ghana Black Stars a bobola na fi drew 80th minute they con 90th minute na ye who say match no ye be winning no ye be who say we there a done deal win the Ghana Black Stars no nanka Ghana police service mo deploy mo personnel ni bi nanka mo kwa gina kwan wa say celebrations na be cost so be according to celebrations na be cost no enkofa wo ye ni o how bia mfa mre o man no anopa mi say timu yampa china ye memere da na ball no so e be san ball no be ball na nwumre so it tells you say nipa dodo na behwe na omo behwe nso ebi bedi kan ye nneoma ansa na omo akwa game no me bube me sure say mpenifo nso amutie me motiase ebi bedi kan ye nneoma ebi bedi kan ye omo ho fi ansa na omo akwa game no. So they will charge their body and themselves before watching that game. No more game ni wie nso a because of my charge of mo ansa na mo de akwa no. Saa ahode ni energy ni aggression no be wo ho. Enti like the omo be ye no e be buru so e be gi nsem. Se obi anya nye ya no pai fitinura na me ye ya no pai me san de soso. And you know, Sompa, and you will be idiot trasia. Bibianya ni aye. Because of national consent, now mine die akuma sunti, na timemufo. Ya power moda and kind conti. We always put them first. Say we the best Renyam partner, Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service. I'm partner. Ke born on watching now the police phone in the Muna patrol team and in the moon. Ya bowie na nyame boa na qualify ana ya winia see ya qualifier I am anticipating but see ya winning against Croatia nso dia yes I winning against Croatia nso dia naturally say enya asem ketwa okay my manager me now say no pay thank you very much my manager Kontabisa thank you very much this morning. Na se yesanso winning so pa dia wa wanitua I see. Thank you very much, manager. Thank you. Bibi, I'll check your flyer no so na herbo obreno and then do the needful 10 times so. DKM obey your calling now. I calling no. No. So Bibi begin to do the needful now. Say I heard near about come you be say better to ye na. Yet me and said ye see a pen no our honum. Let's do that. Eti me twaso. Eti ye bestre. Ghana Police Service. Nanka mo patrol team no. Mo di omo afefa mu e di amayen. Mo deploy omo e di amayen. Na omo agina e kwan ho anampo mani anti krom. Enti am anticipating say ye wini say kimu a. Die besi no aniji amanfo besi age. Moto omo di be fa krom. Even ye ne Panama ye wini, ye ni England cry ye wini. Ebi wu ye. Ebi di moto nya accident. Ebi nya heart attack. Ntinka ebi kura fiti eneyi ni ochina no peyi. Senka ye betumi aye sensitization bi. Se Ghana game no ye nhwe ye se obi wo ayi panic attack bi wo ne so a ana niam ba kumienu bi a ye nkyere no kwan obefa so se be ya wo hwe game na entumi emfumu emma na se banso a enku no. I think by this time can was here because we've had example say EBSC maybe a share omonkwa ebi ewu dada. Think by this time near hunu ebi engage media houses and the releases a hodo at the ba platform TikTok he so say near chere say be ya be faso near ya so ya koma near kra no mu. Na no pay what is me ka say Ghana be winning World Cup no. You heard from wisdom and behind the scenes so what free you can say work and so no say young winning World Cup kura nipa wu a ewu near be winning World Cup. So it means to say we are not ready to win the World Cup, because if we are ready we won't die. We will live to celebrate the success and the glory of Black Stars at the brain. So if we are ready, let's start from today. Let's prepare let's prepare our heart. Let's prepare our minds. Sabeya si yedinku nimna entim faso. Nenyin samu. Entim faso. na engine samu na mfa ohaw ne oyene bia emfa emre yen yesre ya pa acho pa ya pa mo acho muntu sa na mo no emfa emma yen muntu sa na mo no emfa mayen na mo nye sa de no so mfa mayen at least mo besisi barrier akra wo baabi a nti omo ya pi na omo hu se posifo barrier wo baabi no na ma stop wo nti anopa yi said them dika kai 8:30 to 9:30 mene yewura DKM be dia hia mu nti so nam kwan so kra wo ba ne sa nti miura me twen wa ne sa na fi so yatumi adidi yen komo but yenye very careful. Ghana Police Service Mr. Me simple plea, me humble plea mumfa nkwa adwinjin mu na muntu sa na mo no mfa maye because na no de medi mani hu ye no na etan na ensem fata e ba san so mo san cause traffic and that's it too. They cause traffic again. Traffic no to mean flow to and from no to mean ko into mean maso di esremo pa mama ye ntoto ye ne ma ye nkyere se ye ready se ampa walk up ne ye weni ayepe na se ye weni nso a ye nkunkum ye ho ye mfamu enwu. You get it na atumi aboaye. That is just by the way nti yemfa nkoto nchen na NPP munzu kopie mu a ye bobo bai binom eye protest and ra ya o mo kire se Ken must go wo mu kire mu se na namontu bi a otu ne nsem bi a oka ne ne yoyo bi etia party no nti no onko. Yes. And then me kanama kan bi me a fan of Kennedy Japan full. Before the election of flag bearer, I was behind him. Yes, strongly. Why? Because he's a man of our principle. And I love people are more principle. And I always want to relate with people are more principles. Yes, or on excesses. Or on the excesses are all your party no. Or on the excesses are 18 NPP party no. Or the excesses are a deep party ni bad down. Or on the excesses are NCL good name at the NPP party no. But I know pay me no when you exercise kitwebi ni hadi. Kitwebi you exercise kitwebi. Doesn't it leave a simple question to be asked that needs an answer? Say, NPP party nimu, wamuwa akandifo, wamuwa kandini. And doesn't it leave a question, say, there's a leadership crisis in the party called NPP ana? Exercise kitwa ina menewo eye. Me mfa wo say me do Kennedy and me penasem. But so from me Kwame Agyarko, I will say it strongly. And before him mfa wo say na nim me ka no. Because if you ask me managing director, is that Robert Obekacho? Me I don't know what form. I'll tell you what it is. That's me. I'll tell you what it is. It is a Kennedy trap me mfa said me I'll tell him obia suro Kennedy na so but me nyano one on one I will tell him what it is say wo fei papei brei boss e de waye yi de enye ensem fata entosu mu na sebe nyansa nim. But this leaves a simple question. Don't you think NPP will need leader and the leadership crisis because if they have leader and care to about no at least by this time ka Kennedy the oye yi nyina ya pe kwan bi so ajono ya pe kwan bi so amana mia na no ya pe kwan bi so amana hunu say yes wo do Ghana de but ye wo bra ye de kansem bi ne bre bi a ye kansem bi and me fa mun ko achimi de NDC be ye prime example e de amamo e de na nsi wo NDC mu a wutumi hu se we de be damage NDC e be destroy NDC but within a twinkle of an eye pa na asem no na that din yente ho mpopo ye biem yente ho hwe biem na akoda. But in NPP it can live for the rest of because they always go back, bring the past and use it. They would dig the anointing and opinion. Nan kame no ba be leverage. Ye ba be din komo dia fa leverage when ye sesano. They want to have something on someone and use it against the person. That is what the NPP wamoye. And no pay one person would be here DKM. That is it. That is what the party knows how to do best. One more call for Kennedy Ken out. Me quite is why I agree with them. Because I say my party no na kono eye ni party ni dia eje ni party na ni swadi hu na ekuta omo no entumi nwie peyo. Because party no ewo interest bia party manyina eboase betumi achieve nti so obakofo eyiniti na say that common interest obeso obrenas ya and ye yini free money hu say party no eni say nipa ne kasa on kasa as a party member nimbo mo kasa say ankrankro gina ne baby no kasa nti we cannot give the speech no a reverence yentumi mani nyina yentumi mani speech no nya relevant na fe party na hu na mo a wo mutu. So I agree with them, the omoye no. But what they have announced on Tokwa, common that simple demonstration. Look at what happened. It may and pay me simple message in the NPP. Crisis now move facing no. Mon chance and fan free straw. Mon chance and fan free straw. Kennedy o ye penimu. Na me nyeswa say mon penifo ne netenase din koma. Sabi. Obeka se wonti, obeka se wonfi. I am not sure. And it is because say a simple message near the mind say penny mubia ne kandini bia nsheda ni NPP party no mo betumi afra Kennedy atena se ne na kasama na hunu say Kennedy hey baby awode koyi de ya traso nti adwobrɛw chichi break kakra. And it is because penny muni won any moon it's because munyina nso mugitu mu say mo de nioma bi nso aye na ama na traso aboro so ase akwada wa jinsa mu oye ne de wa jinsa mu sa na akwakoye nti wa trapo and as say oye de ope and a penny bia nso ntumi nka na asem. That is what it is. That is what it is. Because as a moon to mean cansam no kre and children moon to mean cansam and chile Kennedy manu run timun tirim and manense sam free and near ma oh ya party no empeno moon to mean two san among ma Kennedy enyai. So it simply puts a simple question before all of us. Say you have leadership problem. More how more leadership no more. Nti asem kitu bi na sorry. Asem kitu bi na ayekese. Asem kitu bi na dan ntokwa. Go and look at Brojaji Mfine Pablo issue na isha say eba. Na nya asem kitwa. Na wo say party no. But look at kwanya mpenifo no mo NDC mo efa so handle issue no. Memfa unko echi Haruna Idrisu ne ase edu nkete ankomo na ebobo ede eba. Look at how nanka betumi generate aspaki troubles ahodo ewo party no mo. But and never tin nkabio. On say akwadwo adadin. A party of intellectuals. Party of intellectuals. Party of intellectuals. Want to mean handle issue in cases. And Kennedy, you know, or don't call your wine. Kennedy, or don't call your wine. Kennedy, inquire wine. Or your wine at MPP into me enkutano. NPP into me tineno. NPP into me for an CBIA. I was here didn't see no who said this is it. More how pa more leadership no more how more nanra he a danning to kware join your Facebook now. A danning to kwa simple demonstration, internal demonstration keke mumehe a danning to kwa ya boy and watch a dear. Asa ye nye party ma asa ye nim ye ho ye bobo ye ho atwede aprapra ye ho si ebeku ye ho kra na yaku ye ho eno na ekoso wo ho no. It's very very bad. It's very very bad because nkaba bia intellectuals wo bia nso de can we always see solutions, but we are intellectuals wo bia de we always see say yes they have a common interest, common goal, and one path for wo nyina e chart ya wo mo nam so. It is a disagreement, but they disagree to agree. They learn or learn to relearn. But as I say, we are not seeing the intellectuals, you know, say, "Womo yes, sir." Party now, you believe in your names, or we are intellectuals. We are not seeing such things. We party no. And the party no, mumfabo nine NC Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, your humility, your humbleness, your calmness, your soft talk. They said, I respect you a lot. I so much respect you a lot. But we yibi. Menim se ebimo benwa omo to egu trimu ni wasum se empenifo bi wo party ni mu eni omo nkasa emo omo men enko omo ho a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you are above that. Safo no omo kikasa ansem ni chiro hu omo se omo mpewa asem mpewo nkanko you omo nyina free wo side. Because you need unity to build the party. You need unity to win 2028. If indeed you want to become Ghana's president. Because there are some characters via Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, can play for mo benwa, woman how pa. I don't want to mention names, but some characters be woman the division at the bar party numu, woman the any divide and rule tactics and omu yusu tintichemu ba na fe yatumi take advantage of a hanom no near ko. But say yetumi din kabom pa unism e man existed between ourselves no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, your advices no, go back. South African he say go back, sit down. Now who say what advices no, are they advising you to bring all party people together, to have one heart, one vision? If so now you reflection and baby, you are a man of integrity. You are a man which now kasa ye Ghana for tie hu de woka. But I can say for no mo bimbe no wo mo futupa. Kaba this time ya to aba wie wo ba be flag bearer 50 last year this year ya to aba the wie January mu bepem sa atan yi de kasa unity nan ka ya adwuma, kasa unism nan ka ya adwuma, kasa mpenifo nyina wo ne o makasa amomo hunu the vision ekutawo. Not least the atwemu na asay no wo mu hunu say okay atwemu asay, but this time round we have a principled man, we have a gentleman, we have a man of integrity. Ye nyina ye de support etanachi ensuo mu awia mu atache mu enfuturo mu ye dinachi ye ne nam. Dr. Bawumia, that is what you have to start doing now, so that you have all these characters behind you. Adentina party baako pe empenifo a wo ye nim se omo ye empenifo a party no ba be gina ne nanso aye party wo mu nyina wom wo bia efiri mu nkakra ana ebi wo NDC mo you can give examples, but NDC dia na ya entraport se mo die no, NDC dia na entraport se mo die no. And now the animal person will say party no should belong. You want the party should belong to a certain faction, a certain group. And Untiana, Doctor, I don't pay Miss Row. Kekao kakra, kekao, Doctor, kekao. ne hunu sɛ yɛbɔ Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ehun sɛ ampa yɛbɔ bɛrima din ehun sɛ ampa yɛbɔ ɔdefoɔ din ehun sɛ ampa yɛbɔ nipa titiri din deɛ kɔ so wɔ party no mu deɛ doctor akɔyɛ sɛ asɛ wunnim deɛ kɔ so, you don't know what time it is. Sana meka doctor, it looks as if you don't know what time it is. So doc, Mr. Kennedy or Etiasifo, me from afar, I know that man. Or Etiasifo, or a honest, or a principle, or a discipline. Ti doctor, one day papa is here and I'm din komo. Now man who would trim or po. O man who would niswa din huno. Na woman who here no ni here e here se odnewo enya adwene kro na mutu anamo ba ko a, it is going to go a long way to help you, doctor, because this man, if you get him beside you, me ane wakeka ne nsem bi atwamba doctor, that's the truth. Nipa bia oye principle no se ni bufu a obebɔ na adwen obeka na asem se de sitie ebi a wadwen ne sɛ also fura ho ntoma kakra ba to bɛbɔ na adwen sɛ de sitie me Kwame Agyarko me bufu anti me ntama me bufu, because wo yɛ made na ɛhye me na me bufu a, I'll give it to you asa. That is it. Obi a ɔyɛ principle no ɔyɛ discipline bia no sɛbi ɔmpɛ nkwasi asɛm, ɔde nkwasi asɛm fa ne mfikyira ɔntwe. Ti doctor, sorry jina onan so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, sorry jina onan so. Sorry jina onan so. Sorry. What na se ache? Sorry. Men kasa wada. What na se ache? Sorry. Because I was sorry, I'll bet 2 anamon. Nti won sorry ye what na se? Sorry doctor. Sorry na 2 anamon. By this time then ka doctor o ko baby kura na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya kan say Kennedy Japan edi wachi kura doctor nka nkyɛn so at least enye ba bia mpo na obetumi ne nakɔ, but the third awokɔ ba bia no di wachi a, at least esa fata sa divide and rule for na mo di wachi no doctor ye na pɛ omo kwan fa mo no mo mpɛ ba bi mfamfa de omo bedi nko anti no omo yesa the umbedi nkwanti no mo yesa doctor. I mean kan okran nche wa no pay. And safo no so wo ho pa mo ho. Ti da bia na yakwa akofo obi ho asem ne abeka no tantan de akyerew. Ye mu bi mo de ye die ye ka ye nim de ye. Kwa abeka no tantan de akyerew. No de agina ni mo nyam wo wanim no okọ ne baby. Ti doctor, sorry. Doctor, sorry, na boy adwuma na ka party mani nyina boom obi a obetumi aboa man ka boom aba party ni mu no doctor safo no wo so oni omonante, because ya de kroye ene ye ade nyina ya de nka boom ne ye ade nyina sie nyina ye boom ne ye ba ko a anamo a ye betu no be won se mu be yeduru ntina mpanifo ebu ba bi se praye uyi ba ko a ebu but wo ka boom a emu wo man kan kwa omo nyina so nti omo de kan ye. Okay, yemfa eno enkotwere hoye na afi yenwura nkomo foforo mu na yeni nkomo ewo eye honum. Na Moses said nam tamakuru why dey owai iti ade ntina muntumi nkyere yensa ampa mo de na kotum prison we afiasi we na mo de na ko. What is so hard for you to let us know? Ana as usual mo be ka kire ye say this is national security whatever enti enye se mo be disclose ana. Come and tell us why. Come and tell us why. Come and give us those reasons. Let us understand. Said nam tamakuru owo hefa owo nsawom owo idra prisons owo sunyane prisons owo hefa and nra manyantie se Obama poku ase actual petition out here they request information and information or they request no mame mo na fi nyanti ase na hunu information or request no what he seeks to do ne ne petition now or try no emu and I'll pay enough you who said yeah is it here and it's very laudable, very very laudable. Me can't crack anyway. I said yes, these are the people we need in Ghana. You challenge, you seek for answers, you provoke the system, because when you provoke the system no be fit or fit ban so obi hu no kra wom. Let's provoke the system near hu. And now our crata. Now what the request seeks to do any or say the name and location of the prison facility where Ms. Sedinam Tamaklo is currently serving her sentence. 2. The date and exact time she was formally received into the custody of the Ghana Police Service. 3. The date on which she officially commenced serving her custodial sentence. 4. Whether any transfer between prison facilities has occurred since her admission into custody, and if so, the details thereof. And then 5. Any other information relating to her incarceration that may properly be disclosed under the Right to Information Act and which serves the public interest in ensuring transparency and accountability in the administration of justice. As simple. Say, if this information cannot be given, maybe come and give us reasons. Come and tell us why. Because you have to carry us along. We are Ghanaians. Yena who rule. So carry us along. Let's know the reasons behind why, where she is, why you cannot disclose those information to Ghanaian people. Let's know. That's all. That's all. Because we are body and ya china near the nakotum. Obifa ubisika say ya china near the nakotum. And to move person much say a be a nipa chain biana. A be sombo chain biwasa see so negana hana. A be here special treatment, right? But say a drew a batward there. And you see, this is where I have issue. This is where I have case. Say drew a batward there. Yenina will vote back. Yenina ye equal. So as much as some will be here said in Tamakru, ni vote no. You also need me Kwame Agyarko vote. You also need Barbara vote. You will need Kelvin vote. But a drum runner nim dia. Then na say ya de enchichiemu ne nasefo bi e dey about why must it be so? I didn't hear. Say be pose national security threat be need national security you concerns be nasefo. Let us know. Let us know. It is as simple as that. Or when you didn't back Ghana no body na tum prison be mu no wo asa ma confirm wa ma say prison we nsawam eno wo asa. That's all. I don't know Ghana for party. But saying tia ye nim let there be a question eba ni ebisa aden. And justice no it's meant for some people. And it's meant to protect some people. Is that the case? Oh, Charlie. Mama you the air as or my own. Mama you the air as or mine. Mama you the air as or mine. And yanko to also Cabinet Authority Attorney General Dr. Dominic Anyeni said undrafted a new bill. It is aimed at strengthening the protection of state assets of my Ajapadie. Ay, come we. It's a bill. No, Ghana so the Mrakra ya will be a protector of my Ajapadie. But this one, what you say, a best strengthen. It means we have one already, a protector of my Ajapadie. But ye pedi best strengthen no ebe mamu aye dene. So ye will be, but ye niso. Ye will be, but atonsuom. Ye will be, but aye hati sentumago. Ye will be, but just like said in Temakru ye Emra no di bi eni bi. Nti ebi tumi ekọ acquire state land no matena so because 1 or a popular, 2 or a key figure, 3 or iska. Kwa tena o man Ajapade wa kwa gye o man asase a ebia ye de ama o man ne se o man o man na asase o man na Ajapade no obi akwa gye. Anampo ebia companies bi ne na asefo bi ye o man de obehu katasu momuaso na akodi o bakofo bi nsem na kwa ye ono nko ane dia. Because our access to power, because our influence, because are connected. So this morning, let's know if you have access to power, if you are connected, if you are too linked, does that mean that Ghana am being to me new one? Yes, I know. Say we are more has an here. Be a powerful to the extent say and being to me new. Exceptions when a bus here de marano to former. But at least mummy who say and Mrano year you must say it be no more we so powerful no and Mrani be diomo and Mrebi to me diomo. So I'm just praying and hoping say sa drafty a bar bit me about being and so now did you ma cabinet per se di na to me abo na o man no your state access ahodo aye wo no atumi a protect no na enema tumi akoye ze nya sa pa de ane na je ye di agro ye bocha scale ye to chacha keke wo ye memo ha ye be ye ma because emra be ne ni wo ye memo ha ye wo mra hodo pi ye doso but entumi function enya effective entumi nya adwuma tie aso sa. I've the head of strategic manufacturing at the Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, Kwasi Oforianchi, Echirimu say, Aban Ebe established an advanced laboratory at Swami Magazine, or in Ashanti region, ebe strengthen Ghana's growing automotive industry. So initiative here, yeah, what's in Kaya na da. Because the Oko Pimo Magazine Swami to be specific. This almost say ade we wo munye bibie ni ho a wo muntumi nye me sure crosses o taxi almost say omunye car from scratch a o metumi aye but because e bia o munni machines because bisa won say how come say broni be ya ade na say na sa ade ne bi anya ebi mfanhye but ukopie mu mazia ye betumi aye different one they ahye dia maw ama watumi ayusu ama na gina ne nan so. That is because adwene ne ye adwuma ho but ye mfa ye ne nhwe ho nti ya jai omo say omo de omo repair cars ne cars asay no omo nyenko but we've not strengthened them and we've not putting things in place to say omo hye mazia no ye hye da fa bi atre ni bi no more shall aye cars ankasa from start to finish. Cause go pie mo to amazia wonders or mo ye wo honom no. Me minimum bi a ode ne car ye pegya de sika so sa de be pie mo so amazin. Obi aka se enye yie. Che se car no de na ye no obi ase enye yie. Obi ase enye you me nya advert mo bi timi mo bi adin even ye de be pie magazine ho kra no ye chinchini ya obi ase enye you obi ase we de aginsem sa particular man no sa papa no ye di ka no ko share ne nsa no o se Kwame me de share papa no nsa me de me yi ma ni kra na me ka chense on your hwe kra na se ye beton no ayi Kevin ya ne ye kan say condemn ana ye beton no condemn kura no amana ya ye o se kwa me meti ho bo so me miensa pepepe na papa ya frame se me mefa me car o so o frame no born amane so o mefa ne car kura wo anye ani o ne ni di akinye se anti o no kura de wa mfi edibe na otwe mienu na papa no sa frame so o mefa ne car call your car ni gina ne nice pintim a uchi car no car no the machines they are test you the machines test the for machines nyina mu e me ka say we dey say but yeah manage na na so if says and so adi hunu e wo ho na mo be ya monya ne ntem mama be politics say modi betwen ama na ben say yadu abato na nsa na mo introduce na modi anya vote dey free order bi ade de da bia me ka se wo be ya ade amu bi a ma ne hunu sa de na mpa wo ya ma no enye biribi nti se wo pe bibia free no demom o ya ma na hunu se wo di bre na ekuta wo ne tumi na ye de ama wo no o de ye ne mapa anon kuto de beboaye. So if we do it that way, ebe boy, o man no e be tumpon, o man no be develop, o man no e be gina no nan so, o man no e be nya se de nyina ye pe no. Na ne ma tumi akoyeri amaya. But si anya sa de a anya ne sa pa de a. Ye ka se ye de be twen politics yi campaign time ye dura ne aba na ye kra ye si ya shebo si ebisi bi de ama so amefo eti aban kra tu ho anamon eti enche sa so ame magazine honom no sa establish an advanced laboratory no be banti se nti monto aba maye moto maya ya tumi aba be easy ni nyina ye mogu tina ye mogu sa kasa ni nyina ya kasa time means what the abato and say inya bato anka onni bibia ye ka wonni ani so adi hunu bia de mom munya ye ne sa na te sa na tie ti obo mo ba be campaign na hu na motoma me na onni ani so adi hunu wote so no krade na waye wote so no tumi no kuta wo no de na waye anampo wunya tumi no anamo be no watu in your little way. What have you done? Mama yintu anamo a etoasumu anamo a ebeboa oman no na wo say first oman no na wo say di ani mo kan awo ya di yo ahodo nyina mu sebe ya eniema betumi atoto yiri amaye ne sai be nya ne sa no man no so tumi atumpon se di sipe no ya be koso aye MPP ni NDC but ye MPP ni NDC no mama yinhunu se o mining na ye MPP ni NDC na enye se NPP ni NDC di ni ye MPP ni NDC nsem pa so wati masi o mining na ye MPP ni NDC nsem se me MPP na o mining na me prese MPP emra ya ni so adi hunu ni ye nyina so ni but se NDC ya de na efa o me MPP ni mabo mo abaso e de abaso bo no de amomo oma ya de NDC nso ye no ya bo mo abaso MPP ye no ye ni ya bo na baso but NDC for senka ye ne ye anka ye be ye ni si ni ye ni yie MPP for senka ye ne ye anka ye be ye ni si ni ye ni yie. Let us know say you know how to do it better. That's all. And ne bitumi aboye no. And Minister of Food and Agriculture, Ade Akye Abia, say omo launch the 42nd Farmers Day celebration. Krata ne bi da banim amemwa ona yenkin kani uram. Kelvin minim say wo krata ne bia. Minister of Food and Agriculture na no de krata no ebeto emmontin so. For immediate release the 24th of June. Ababontin, okay. I'll say Minister of Food and Agriculture to launch the 42nd Farmers Day celebration. The Minister of Food and Agriculture is pleased to invite corporate Ghana, development partners, donor agencies, financial institutions, agri-businesses, and other key stakeholders to the official launch of the 42nd National Farmers Day celebration. The launch will take place on Tuesday, 30th of June 2026 at 10:00 a.m. at the forecourt of the ministry in Accra. For over 40 years, the National Farmers Day celebration has been Ghana's major platform for recognizing and celebrating the hard work, innovation, and contribution of farmers, fishermen, agricultural workers, agribusiness, researchers, and institutions that continue to drive the growth of the agriculture sector. The launch would officially kickstart activities leading to the 2026 National Celebration. The ministry will unveil the theme for the 42nd edition, announce the host region, outline the programs of activities, and provide details and awards. On awards, categories, other key arrangements. The event will also highlight sponsorship and partnership opportunities for valued organizations interested in supporting Ghana Agriculture Ministry and explore areas for collaboration towards a successful and impactful celebration. Have a bit maybe you can say, I say, oh yeah, my nino cry, free mobile. My fitness is still in fact. Okay, let me do it from here. As Ghana continues to pursue sustainable agriculture growth, food security, job creation, and value addition, the ministry recognizes the important role played by the private sector and development partners. Your support does not only honor the efforts of farmers and value chain actors, but also contribute to building a stronger and more resilient agriculture sector. The ministry therefore encourages all organizations and partners to attend the launch and take advantage of the opportunities for engagement and partnership. Together, let us celebrate the individuals and institutions whose efforts continue to feed the nation and drive agriculture transformation in Ghana. We need the free Ministry of Food and Agriculture Ade Akye Abia. We the 42nd Farmers Day celebration and also Eba Bekoswa. We say enche we be launch. We launch so we launch no 30th of June 2026 our forecourt of the ministry. Our Accra. Nti edru so a we the team no e de beba. For once, let me tax you. For once, let me say team no at the barbontia. It shouldn't be a lipstick team. Mama mananya lipstick say I no asem keke. If the team a barbontin for this celebration, near celebrity we need rafe. Let's see the ministry working towards that team now. Because ya mo the team ahodo a ye kama pa na de ba bonten de etwasumu de work out me say yes whether the future of Ghana's agriculture is going to be bright, but we are nada, we are na tonsuom, we are asa ye hu hwe biem. And this time round, let us see, say, the Ministry of Food and Agriculture is taking steps a kyerese ampa agriculture edda yakoma so. Na womu tuwa na mo kyerese agriculture said the da ye kase eno ne fidi yen. Now one way or the other a backbone of Ghana's economy no. Indeed, we are working to achieve that. Ye who say ye lands na ye the agriculture no. Ye mana ye kama. Ye mana jina ni nan so. Ye allow obia manen se sa lands no. Ye ma obia ense ye nsu ahodo no. Ye ma obia ense ye forest ahodo no. I mean, sure says a Ministry of Agriculture. Senka mu tuma na mo ye na mu di juma. Nka ye forest. Nka ye Ministry of Lands kura na waso mama permission mo koram. Anka ansa na ye be ma permission ya mo bi ayi kura so bitumi agura ye forest no. Na indeed Ministry of Agriculture mo tena se aye mo research ahunu se ampa e hade ese ye mo bi wramu a en affect ya agriculture na ye en affect Ghana for unless otherwise this morning you are telling me say these ministries told us womu kotua na mo a womu enlinke womu enkasa womu ninkomo na onya ye ni ministry onya so ye no so kotua na mo anu akwakutu no akoye de ope. If that is not the case, Enkane yente say yesi obi aton de kokofuo ne cashew afuo ne bayira fuo asase a wode ye farming waton ke yente sa ngomo no. Say if indeed yehunu say your agriculture na efidi yen aso man, if indeed yehunu say your agriculture no a backbone of our economy, if indeed yehunu say your agriculture no and a boy ma ya pomudin esi ne nan so gina ne nan so a, we wouldn't be seeing what we are seeing and experiencing what we are experiencing as a country. Kasani ma nyina nkensisi. But it is because ministry just exists because of existence sake. Because a ministry. So you don't see any specific thing. The Ministry of Agriculture na mo echisampa omani kuhu na dani da omani di achire na dani da omutu ho na mo magana for update say na tie enti if you dare say you are going contrary to Ministry of Agriculture wo mu team a edo money so eyo money so din hunu for that year, if you are going against it you have issues with them. We are not seeing same. So your ministry is not the one, they are just existing. Because they are creative and are existing. They are doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hey, ni wa omuye. Wamunya hey. Wamunya hey. Ka wontumi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ COVID-19 aba na aduane boa yɛ den. Ka wontumi nka saa nkɔbɔ no nkyerɛ me sɛ COVID-19 aba na aduane boa yɛ den. And so you Ministry of Agriculture. Fibia Betty, yes, you supply fertilizer, I see. You support to farmers, see. At the end of the day, the Omoti Gara Sika Koye, no, could be so almost say, a Sompa so have they been able to achieve the reason? One more etis as Sika button the two, so Mudi Tusana Mona or Mudi Tunana. And the answer is big no. The answer is big no. And ginger kakadru. Adwadifo kase na omoto ginger bag 70 million. Ti na wo koto kakadru 5 cedis nim. 5 Ghana cedis nim. Mitobi last weekend me tobi na me nim de America me tobi 5 cedis nim 5 cedis ni mo ginger 5 cedis akakadro 5 cedis na nim 10 cedis no so be 3 pa bi ene yeyi de ama be 3 pa sa konkon kitua bi ya share 50 cedis. I was like wow, have we gotten to this point? Look at the arable lands are your war as or mine. Near some Ministry of Agric. Yes, our Ministry of Agric. And so you are today. You are today. And now we are not wired ding. And you nano na me de obi din komo. I mean money din. A former executive producer Sie Kwasi Joshua. Hi. 38. Many Sie Kwasi Joshua din komo. Ara me Sie Kwasi. O memu ha onim. She say yen sheda nim de ye. Ye nim de ye. Asa ye to chacha keke ene ye biribia ehwe keke. Ye biribia keke. Ye nya biribi se ye wo focus o. Ye nya biribi se ye nim de ye yo. Ye nya biribi se this is what we want to. But ye say ye for ye keke. En sheda nim de ye. Ene ye ne sa ene tim. Tia to Chachanesa. As the country we all live in. Ntoda ojene ho a ojene ho a wonti ase ojene ho a wonti ase ti ojene ho sa abu se ase wan kasa crowd wana se wofu a o musa nsuki wofu kra kan ko si se ko si aka tina wa wasa aka no ho down chana kwakwe 35-8 Sompa 93.1. Miami General Manager. Yes. Fine man, gentleman. Rough when dressing so. The levels and so. And I'm coming with some content said the trans. You're coming out here.
Upon me, so.
Okay, now go to say.
Yami Adome ho yepa now so.
Yami Adome.
Good.
Sister, this is in country so when the farmer.
Seven so na message na me chire wo hu. Da bi say de me obina ka me de message de chire wo.
O fa re chire mo.
Ni chire wo. The parents say brother tutu na o sha African world.
O na na me ka wa say woman bi.
Ka che say do me fe pa. I do we TV so do say ka che that be Sunday. 3 days time na ma me ono crowd o be 54 say ka che no ke ne me maba bru pa dia I that's da me chia tell you say Mr. Nimutio and tell you say golfers near ko ho na me hwe flyer na me hu ya na mso no bibia beti besi ma me fasting samra enti tell you say for organize golf anopai. In fact, also golf you're born very early.
Yes.
Ti as at 6 nem paying phone Kwame Agyarko na eba be do show no so na matuka also me saba because en keje flyer na me hu dia keje come back la that's the also be fast na me ba nti yenchia wholesale manager na yenchia Obagana ha they in charge of monitoring ni omoyini na ti say metimaka say tell yourself one dey wana wabo build na wo ho golf park kodma and omoyo mu golf na kwame omsa kwa donation e dia ma Kumasi hospital na ni nyina say almost say the month of June bosumi a Ashanti month and tell yourself the month of June dey they celebrate Ashanti region. And no currently titi data so as low as 10 with 5 gig, as low as 15 Ghana with 10 gig. Yes. Ashanti region kwa. Yes, so my no for asana muzem say na me bo machine me dey say mo ade every say me just mu kubasi e obi an take advantage of it na me say June ekwa wie ya na offer no etwam na menshare mu Kwame yewie na se ehoda so gine mu ayebeko na ya ayebeko because me nyi kura edu mo den na so me ba dey me dey pe ya bi ya pe ko bi dia so they said them kind edu mo den mo den but wa jane sansa ni Kwame yeti wa padona. And think you were talking about Mame Sedinam, Tamaklo, former Maslow boss. Na Kwame, okay, Simbia name they said we shouldn't do politics with this. Obia anywa Ghana or Brom Raso, Obia Suniwa or Chain, Obia when it comes to I am brand anymore. And Kofobi are raising concern about the whereabouts of the former Maslow boss. Right from day now, Obedru Airport to and Misha say release red alert. Say Mahameno baby all called Romunia show say Oko prison. You know, in politics and in sometimes in how Ope se winya onyo mebino. Oh yes, smart. Now you should this justice and I say we should this formata ebwa to raise alarm. Say be a mameno cry on the prisons, on the prison. But it's very unfortunate to say omo kasa no so you say he who comes with equity must come with clean hands. And I feel so you kase evidence is the order of the game. And only evidence you don't talk just for talking sake. Eyeni na kehu say one a allege say maame no and the prison no. Once you know the woman is not at the prison, who baby oda? Who baby say no obi frame me metima say Kevin ni fie. I didn't tell because me baby a Kevin wo. Me say Kevin at the studio. And I can confidently and boldly say Kevin ni fie. But se me baby a Kevin wo. Na me ka say Kevin ni fie. Se me nka hwe. Me nka hwe. Enti me say so more evidence bi amomo se ma mini ni fia omo fa meto abonten na ye nyina yin under security yamfo obi worry about emeto dwa say prison we no da until say wa beko prison atay yi mu de omo kika nyina so hwe ya eye convict a omo ex convict a omo ba abonten no beka so na mene ne kra ne wo aha na mene ne wo ha na mene ne wo ha. And also all facts and figures that can be verified. But it's unfortunate say so many facts are you allege and I say you write. They say RTI write information or you can write. Now a man who kwanya they will do that provision because it's mandated on them say the RTI bill could be an oka institution also do and the RTI, they have to provide information. But you just don't wake up near the Ababeto prison for the Ababeto or say, Mama no ewo in one prison or her prison. When sir, it's a message. I feel proud of much can't be do say. Everyone near the Mama no call prison. Everyone no call me raising red flag, you know. And yet the maame na kwa akotum. Matters of security eya very careful. Prison officers no so bi na asha ase di konkonsa ye be sirem omuni konkonsa ni yi ye be sire di akiri na ye hu ba bia maame ne wo say ya no pay Kwame abɔ ne tie aba betenai na ye mframam na okasa be so wo ha na obi frame say Agyarko fie na metima ka che say Agyarko ni fie adentia because we say Agyarko studios o studio ha menen netia but se menin ne where about her metimi ka say odi fie me de me gina dia so na me ka say odi fie enti yesrew mu it is good say you be raise minimum tactics minimum antics no mo yen because they have to be careful and they have to make sure say indeed the woman is coming or not and I say the woman is at the prison or not. But yeah mere speculations and the nyama bebreba. I think one of the days sometime Chachu Chikata was in prison. There was an ex-convict or Becca said no crown a Chachu na actually or boy the man in nyama be guidelines and a man it will na some can or free prison. Tamaklo on board bia so Chachu will akwa dem Coco board for squad ya very MPB time don't go to two then call for band them a teacher at the dem the man tamaklo on more prison so and there's more concrete evidence more famra na yen kan wasemi but mere speculation is idea ni dey a twem sa nyama na a twem sa antis na twem o bibia make it formal say ye so obi atwem twro na copy information na famra bonten yen kan but na ma mene ani fie na o fie kokonu ni fie a na unso mra ba bobi na beka se ma mi fie fa be boso na yɛn for police for ni wachi nkɔ baabi a ɔhu maame no so ɔwɔ no because maame no wa frɛ ɔman mu a the records are there to show anya ndc for nkwa na airport ho they are confirm nya o adwuma during MPP era eti bibia se maame we fa Ghana borders akɔ ene se bia ko Togo de ne hye kem ye dinsi koi ani ana akɔ d'Ivoire ne de ne kɔfa ayi doma ho ne de ne koi if not abrochi ana se he no kɔ a gentiminya the details of it yetimenya se o Sofia efie ko na o hye no mo fa mra bantin na kan chese fie we na maame ni hyem na ba kwa hwe we are interested in this case because Emrado is not a respecter of persons. That is the law. That is the constitution. But say a bending namake can be bizarre to make some public really there. Tactics is good to keep people on their toes. But can it say there were evidence there? Then we have to deal with you. I'm not sorry and say we see the focus about what you should be not watch baby about men so diffia I don't see a watching say on back say Ade Akye Abia a branch because of MPP ni tobacco is not above the law but so evidence now kasa kwa fabra bonten that is what we all want to see fabra bonten na nyina yemom ko hwe maame no yemina je ko hwe maame no sadia mesra mo ni nya sadia ma no na back to Excellency John Dramani Mahama. There is no smoke without fire and yesra no sa sem we ma yenche mitra the honors lies on him. Mameno say indeed so any prisoner you need any records just or a particular prisoner only him because he has the Ghana Armed Forces, so in terms of security be everywhere brief in kono it yes na offer us onto from if there's an iota of truth in these allegations the so we say with immediate effect omunko hwehwe sanse ni ehu na yempa asem no so promisebre ayesa dia oman we are not being fair to certain people. Well, now Matisse Omubabe drafted a new bill de able protect a state asset eya na to bill eya me ya say Ghana ya bill ya pass bill into law ya dear pa there are so many laws me ya sure say ya kwa ya nyam na nimfoi ye nim say e wo ho ebo Ghana ejapade ho ban. It is not about drafting a bill. It's not about the passage of a bill. It's not about assenting of a bill into law. But it's about how we use those laws. I don't think we need any new bill. And some yet state asset hobo a bank. You can get it if you really want to. Say a person your body state asset hobanya. Ya wa kwenya ye de bebo hoban. Ya wa mra enho a ye de bebo hoban. Ade say e me bia ni o. Ani wo ko ma ye te say obi de a whole forest. No na aka anya hwe no. Emma omo the Greater Accra region. And from a pahome because yes fa your home men bebre na efiri wiem na enso de na kɔ na nya baby nko mu absorb it. That is oxygen and carbon dioxide. You have obi di nia forest mu a eye eka ne wo ho se ode manema ode manabusuafo. Are we saying say ye nimra wo krom ha Is that what we are saying? And your day in the oral for the general soa. Almost as yes, the call round. No more version go for a state capture. State properties I could do go for. I will say we don't have any law. I the law drafted too much. And run your best, there's also a moon man on our bed, Yamay. A moon man, now there are issues for us. So it's not about emra, it's about commitment. It's about commitment. Commitment ya di bede, ya di bema ya shemra numu kutupa na ya yamra na amamra no aye solid na ya apply ya cracking the hoop. Oni MPP4, my MPP4. It is very unfortunate. Now let me see Omo headquarters. It was disgraceful. It was bizarre. It was uncultured. It was all the adjectives that you can describe. A party that believes in democracy. A party that touts itself say or believe in democracy than any other party in Ghana. People have the right to protest. People have the right. So omo ade omo concern ebe brem penifo. But is that the way a manner your manner? Ken ohine Japan about one weaknesses onye perfect, just like myself. I'm not perfect, but a sabi echa neck enhwe sani a sabi echa na esana obutwan o ma nhwe yi a ebedu rebi na be sabone amomo. Okay, Kennedy Japan alone on class contonkro of MPP ma you might see say or vote back any impact biawo MPP. So of course you might be right. Now so yes, so kwato say asem say musa say eye den bisa say enanum no eye den. Dr. Baumia has done a lot. Ebra already abay. So be kan mu nyina bom. So e no ne Brian Champo. Echina oni wei. Hwe kwa fa so nya akwadwo safo mu nyina ebaye. Ekwaya even Alan Kra no ebe yo mu ani gise gobeba party. Alan no we jaya akọ afafranto aba movement aba afafranto mu eno kra no eye Dr. Baubia ni so ade hu se kada bi obeka party no angope. I know, and I think so. Now, Kennedy Japan. Sometimes I disagree with Abia Nyama Bakumu no be the utterances be. But the amount if there is anybody to discipline or expel from the party, it should be these people, not Kennedy Japan. Right? I don't know say Kennedy aye. Say Kennedy who can some etia party no. Na say the latest one air for military hospital. A branch now on also on Tiasia. O this who this say full on was bold enough to insult neck. A small kind don't want to even say on this noble platform. Eka set here a whole neck. You say party no do baby hono die you say adre National Executive Council neck. Kwame, the guy was bold enough to insult neck. Go and listen to what he said. Now he who comes with equity must come with cleaners. We will say you are Kennedy Japan eduam because we are Kennedy being Kebida. What could Gina party head office edu neck for them? Tell some more kind. So Kevin Benya Brand, I don't want to speak out with my mouth. We better say Brand in video. But I look at what the indisciplined attitude. Omo day did not baby say party headquarters baby. And I said make and say baby a neck Asia. Let me use that one. Baby a neck and Asia. Na kama umuadia ebogadu. Ana akobu atopa. Kama umuadia na ebogadu na akobu atopa. You see, and that is what Enyema breeding in the party. It will call for the head. Say Ken must go. More than we did more. Second, more than we did more. Second must go. More. You don't even have any moral right. You have no locus to call for the head of Canada or in Japan. Not because Ken is better than Ken is human being than everybody. But financially, influence and come to influence. More wine power, more you come with our more wine influence. The influence is doing. You have one vote just as Kennedy and Japan have one vote. Abraham Toby the Baba Amandu. Or your right up be many Jehopa. Yes. Right up me say. I'm out for your young Pam Ken. I'm out for you. But our culture leadership in say, Omumpe Kwampa, Omune Papa ni bet nasi. Na Oma Jojo. I was like, this time I agree with what this gentleman is writing. Okay. It is Jojo. Kwame party when you Obia to say Dr. Bawunya. Obia go bet my say, Don Damani Mahama, OMBC. Obia one star. But the SXs eba meeting the whole leadership of the party. The leadership of the party knows how to go about when it comes to Nomabisa. Whether the suspension, whether they have to discipline, whether they have to advise him. Sadly, the neck from her. Omune eti breakers and see a big walk on neck in the Kwame. I come to say what about council of elders. These are brains, you know, they understand the party hierarchy, they understand the ideologies of the party. The constitution itself, they know how to discipline people who misbehave in the party. Because Emeka said we are about more explaining constitution to party. Exactly. And if anything, some branch here they should discipline them. This is on MPP. Yes, because first of all, petitions will be akasanye. Now, you are insulting them. I'm pleading with next say they shouldn't be in a rush to take any decision on Kennedy Japan. Calculatedly, timely. Why don't we be at their own? Why no finance any be bra manini kan obekwa akopem woman emre opem ya obe withdraw so back. So if you think say Kennedy Japan say dem o ye nya allow you monko obepem onye Kennedy Japan free party nim no ebe ja ne kasa no kasa na o say effective party no onye ni free, do you think that is the solution? Not at all. It will even be worse. And don't forget, it will be worse off. Our party members or more MPP more so do Kennedy. Of course, Kwame Koche voter Kennedy was elections 2 years ago. Yes. Though MPP from Promasem because more and then maybe say ya don said they na ne party nya say nipa 1,000 do a chair one should be 2 ba ku ye party faithful so ye there once you are not in the party you know what you know Alan Kodoche Martin. But for whether you like it or not a bibeko because Alan and Bikoi and looking Oko party now Ken has influence than Alan Martin. Yes. He has influence than Brian Champon. Yes. Check their votes. The previous one now Ken Yamebo on Nana de bomba kuma no bino. Okay. If you are send you suti buy and over cross at the base your mati MPP for him is na kwa. Oh, of course. Tika krakakra. Of course. Na me Kwame base ni nya de also ehunu MPP for a party a group a leadership there a group a more quarter more there. Sometimes I call them a bluff. But what I am saying is expelling Kennedy Japan is not an antidote to what you are complaining of. It's not an antidote. Until I was say I think and I trust the members, the individuals that make up the committee, the National Executive Committee, say they will do justice to this issue. They will find a long-lasting solution to this. Ekro ewo no ekro no enya kata enkyere se emunewu yawo se wonu na asikro no enimu akata ti o bomwa krono sabi wo mu dia no pemfanje be pacha na wo what a go what the womu ankasa eti yesewo a test case move. They should make sure they don't set any precedent a negative impact on the party. Kennedy name pan change bia. Kennedy our one vote. Kennedy for MPP but they should be very careful how they handle issues like this.
They should be very careful how they handle issues like this. I mean that's it. I mean now so na in control say so dressing na effect say dey na kwame usun kontabisa shen t-shirt the glass kama na ope baby atwa mfonyini anampo odi djuma bi ope say ye direct ana ope baby a obi twa mana kama anampo ope camera say ye kama e dey akwa kujitwa me pa cho for ni chiremo RSY no VG Studios moya actors mo pe baby nso mo betwa mo firi mo sini no amana kama ani daho kama padia RSY no VG Studios na make come for the amount we are film maker, photographer, creative director na we are professional film studio for podcasting and I say set up for a special effector for RSY no VG Studios or Accra Malam Abiasi off First Kokroko Street from 0574 715 778 and 0303 974 822 now in penny for ending come sciatica expert what to say no sisi na untumi nanti na ho ya untumi nya ho hwe no me ba so 21st clinic and I may come for area amount to America womo our lab and scan a officer womo ebe boa mani ma to ya ma na fi so honam yelo honam ya no ya tumi nyina se de amao ewo honum ye wo Kumasi ye overseas near Alpha Radio Boase Council Quarters Court Junction Domin Tantra Hill de Butu Sunyane Kranza teaching my friend 040249311311 and 0540311311 OCP fertilizer and a freeway we are investment now we ti will not buy no so doso and so benya sika and so doso our we are winya sika timi pacho OCP fertilizer na make am for their mouth say serious vegetables OCP 15 and OCP 10 and I make come for the amount to make na koji na niema ko yi informa Tagore herbal mixture and the capsules make come for one pay to Tumrika Tagore herbal mixture and the capsules bema they also jina on so I also bema ye no who say ampa bibi eye juma to make na fi remember some so enya na so 0243228296 comfort say when perfume to conta my pie beje odi si wo neoma na fi wo dia samfono no na dia ko hata emu hwehwehwem oto sunso ani da ho comfort o say agi bebia Roman father Drew no abba father Martin about mixture numbness, anxiety, stroke, body pains, new weakness, pressure, diabetes, or chronic disease. The patcho Kope eye farama tense about mixture na bo bi no bi from 240247919 and 0552668517 me ho no adiat na se eye honorable DKM no bi afero nti ma me ndika emu no DKM eni ni DKM edin nso modro DKM openina ababet na se dan kwaku mensa o yuzume papa di mensa tino ma me nkoma no achene ense nkoko komadu chena se but first of all fa che yemre no from so kapra ba e ba cho abom di say
nyamiadom
efie abusuamu party mo di say
oh nyamiadom efie de boni bia ne ho na party mo so kula no ashantere ji ha a me weje boni bia nyamai na anya de nso ye se ebi ma ti be ka se yeah
okay mami shasi from free say na yini komo ye bre na chi yen enya wo fort enya me fort but the aba na aba tino why shem komo na sisi taw inform free home na university city so ko grounds because why assembly member awo mosiaso yeah wasanso ye constituency organizer
manson kwanta
so da
me da so yo
o da so sanso ye constituency organizer manson kwanta currently so o sanso nalag vice president and say udibre no enye easy so ko fam na woni delegate ekoko dim komo okoko shia omo a ma me hu ne say omo ahofa omo ahokeka ne obo response to message no ya na it say
me na ma menchia ohwefo ene tie form so tie no say akasa fidie no so na ye radio no ena akasa foni so na ahwe amenchi obi bia titu MPP fo nyina na amenchi no constituency fo so nyina minia tedi e ubisano no kwasam no se delegate no de ni obia ni issue bia about me always say me ka kire on say mo mfa membra na membra meye don frefre fo hene ewo asante mantem ha me no ni issue bia na omo zo ene ni issue bia de one me wono e bia eheditirim onyina di na me ani tre wo de obia no wa na ho adwen boni bia wo mitrim because enyina ye party for if you wanna know mo contest kula no bia wadwen boni bia ni mitrim na campus de okoto aba ma me na me kwese to aba ma me na me ne konya issue eti that no de o how bia ni wona je o mo jem no so kire se ampa se o mo ni abre se opposition ko ye no o mo pese o mo nya party ne coming back ne ehu hia o mo nto mo de yesa back ne yesa be bona party sorry nti ya ni jesem na mso ebiso obi wo kwa ba bi wo kwa na me ndiri wo bi no bi afafo no afre na ba bi ye hada bai ya te wonka eti omo ti de ekoso de dikem de ni pasidi dikem wa danse no a o ma afafo afre ama pe kura nya kostre eso ko sompa am se ai o ye nyina ye de ani de akire ebefa ya convert ya wi nya me ya adomo a ye no se e do beba eti inkwase no ewo na tombia no nipa de nanso kakra we nipa ho but me ya no obenya me ho asamaka but me no obi a ho asama me to ya she mitima akoka
I see why would that so your constituency organizer
yeah
manson contact
yeah
and as you person ba be regional organizer the manson contact
yes
when this word hu na kutawo ni senti a pick is organizer no and our person ko region no no any day ma delegate no ne atifo enti we bi obi crowd to we ebusu ni bi delegate but otie otumi akodi nkomo akire na ma na hu se peni no na niso de no no emodu
minia ya na de bia meka se be ko ni dine fatano a e fatano akono
yes
eti party NPP de obi e bo dan e ko kumensa titru be ka DKM no se unimu no a na ayese ashanti reje ha no se bi woni nse de ni ha na de new kakra say party no so de won hihye na yesan be bie mu say ye meto region penifo so aba no saa na bere bie to ho nti bi mu nya akwanya ba mu adwuma no say party hye mu no boy be you say as leader no mo na bibia sim so mo de hihye ba na wona e wo mo chi no so timanya adwuma ni bia ye enti for now no aye ka DK masem no e won ko for mo mo de mo ye leadership na wo mo nsem dada nti se wonnim mia eno doesn't mean say menye MPP ni me MPP ni na mo so sumbo manso kwanta constituency iti wona mdi medwuma ti me ba manim for region ne mo no na e wo say me mo hu me nipa ban a me ye na me mo hu de simani so na mani so ade hu no de me me tra se wo department hu ye no e ye say party no e kwa ya fa so ye di ntwo no e ye ensem pi ensem bi wo ye fie ensam nti wose ya kan fie asem bi wo ye se ma wo a wote abonten no wote na hu wate base
wakanse mfo ami no
mo
asem bi wo ho e fie
ensam
ti ye kan wo
ye kan fie asam
na asem bi so ho e
abonten
no so
ye kan abonten
wose akwai information management wose ye hu de ye be kan fie
ni ye hu ye be kan abonten because your party constitution ne kula state ne clear me yati ase say yen sembi wo ka de party no ebe ko form ana ebe say party no emudua o wa sotwe it say yen sembi wo ye fra ne ntama ansemu a esase ye de kwa abonten no eye ni esase ye toma se empo o ha bi na ba ya wona eti ye hunu ye no ebe hu se oh dike ya me ye mfomso yi obe pacho because you have from so a channel any bill say chop per me egu so pa MPP for cho say ye pa Ghana for wo mi amanoku bia no mo so MPP ye bad ye ma comment o mo boy to abama ye no e bi ni ye kwa banti dike me de simani so a ne ka che wo no e bi na me de ba MPP mo be ka che wo bi biala na ba mu ye e wo MPP party ho it was so le kura ankoto aba so ye MPP ni so ye party bia so ye NDC ni po ye na dwen se enero pa ye wura adedan kwa akufu woni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abaye ye no e ka mesa atoma ba de ama MPP nanso bi e bata wo ntino me nan kwotoma baba no sa nanso no obia wone de ite mesere inside nsayem me ni so ade won se me ba be jiram na ma hwese safo ni nyina no ebe ko mo baako no madin komo ni atwe mo nyina ba back fi say Ghana ha amanoku a ye dwon no NDC MPP no obi no majority of the elections obi ene ho NDC MPP obi ene majority eye won na ye form floating players no a wo mo dia mo safo ni amanoku bia no o mo na boy en take decision e ma yen it is a kasami and kasaye am pass afo na chew am ma sorry am boy ya ye ba ye ba be yadin enti we na wodi me ko kasa asa na kire safo if the safo no so mo ka kire yin say we mo du we mo ba ye no o ma be bu ye no mutia o ma du we mo ba ye no o ma ni ya ni yie ahoma so ni ba wo mu se bi je se ni ba wo mu abi na so mo ya ye to mo ka so mo ye ko mo anye party abi na mo ye we mo bo ni power na so mo ka bi no party na bi na mo ye aye fa sheso fa santo mo so me why na MPP abaye no ya ye me na wapa bebre even asante reje ha so na ye nya wona eton ye nya wona ko fa ka cho nse munye e sense ye wo party for no ye so mo ka sa asem no but when we no esu bi wo ni mo so say oni su bi oni mto ni nkonkoka
I see
edidija we me ka we ni wadi free party edidija
ado so ni
pesemin kuminya
ani munana
nam pesemin kuminya ehuro bi because obi ko ya me ma ne phone no o kana no antum ni wa na so ade na ehia pa no eye no na me dia ma o ba be ka je Agyarko dike o ma me phone Agyarko we dike o nche me pa ne kurada wa ko ma ne phone na o tu se bi krompa na eduma na we na so sine dia me ma ne phone no be ka cho bo se no na be she mu o sa dike nche phone no ma Agyarko na ndo ama me o ne dike o ko taba
okay
what I say you want to be ko delegate system ye to obey in party mpanimfo nyina nim de wom chese kame so obi adwan no se delegate no ba ye se ebedu abato onko aso na bibi afiri mu do minya no kure wo no se entimi free Ghana ye duma ya manyo se muda fi se utuwe na ma force bra asokwa na me no meeting ekwa be fa so aba no minimo so mo be say na firo car so far from ente ya ma say say me invite you no umedu am heso na mo TNT bi na odi akọ center we can say da anya bone but when you do ya retwa won no it was an now de kire etu ni ya bia oni meeting kwa na me no but oni nyina so okuo ba to na mo say the police say sembe no beka enti etu ni no delegate for say say na na ko so na ka o de elusu elections eti weekend beba oni ni say question by question level because emre bebre yanim ye to ya ba ni wi a ye emre wi yanim ye ni kura no make say ye be 1.5 year e wi yanim for elections edu eya jumade na da ho no enye life ne bebo intime vision na ni so ade won se beba na sa afori na ni party pen fe be to be yon constituency level no ereje no dwiri a esase ye ko ho ni no mu kosia ni ko house to house eni ko fe ko kasa e ma ko be bi epeja ye bia no o mo be enne abaya otoso amanu a we buru no no me sakra o madwen no me boa me ka ho ni ko twe na any party bia mu no on ko twe me ka ye ho ni tumi 2028 elections eti mani so adu zam den kabo mu kase e ba party nim do party dem sa say e party no ndokwa wo mu ana na editemi wo mu ana party ni se MPP wo sisi no enye akono enye Ghana fo akono adinta ye ye aduma pa ba aduma na mpie ya bobra pa ba ya bra no ya bi ka ye aka wanso ni ye me bi ma ko nya so mu ko ye aduma no but aduma ko ye na sai so so be ni nya ye metumi aka say ye kro na ye fi an ka campaign tim ho ye bi no ye ni ma ye no metumi aka say eno impact na etumi course ro kase ama eme yetumi ya vote bi ye kura ye nya
onse na wo kan nyina onse ma ye din na meti
obetie mi
onse before ka se bi se so bi ka kasa no kan yan asema na umia wa no
sa
etie untumi entiam onje o kasa dina wo ka unity no say unity be by it has to do with organization
correct
it is a one proper organizer between organize we asem we aba yemfa we nto ha yenye ne say ani we afom yemfa nche we let's go forward on to me organize enfa ne man to 2 year unity no will not come
to me na everywhere
I think we preach now our unity ni bows down to organization
and yes I know no nto tutu o na dem na tuma ba ka bi dia kirawo na so be dem wa dia se no kura to we dem jise ko bi kiro bi enna organization is not about see here for dem ni na ko show one organization is better than
yes
what is it
sure
because issue be ko so o for team adwen team ka so team be say papa we better nti o say ye be ho ni be bi ko mo tire asem na wo ka no ye tie we be to be solve no atras say solve no ho the say be ko office ko traso ni ababak at the moment I may know one of me to wasam na so ti dia me ka kire no wo ji tumu a next time na no ko ni pa bi nu ho djuma
sure
ye ko kiya djuma ni ya ya sa ma tag the back organization ye be no the trust do ko mo ni ya ma target say so boa no next week and next month ya na so nya me ni sa ere aka ho
ama ye nso ye be hia o
it is a bus we are for mu na sa for na o mo ba ni nyina no obi akoma mu ye dey fine ti hono ojiana wo peja wo so na kira wo di anigye odoso na peja wo so no it is ya bo bi an ho akono obi a sebi yenyo odani ka wo bi an kan fa na ho in terms of organizational we see the biano ye be wen dada no minim no ofufre safo na ne inform nko dia no ni apart no ye nya ya gwese pepa wa ni se wo pe bi asisi no ni onu eba si e meto aba mo ye nya na mission enti ni pa do eba de na social media no bi e ka bi it is a commercial BA funds when you pay due look at manufacturing funds and to a organizer even will be a secretary because of MPP ni the also no convert na vet na ginatum o MPP ni it can say you work can we nyina
what the politics as yes
ah
because some our cousins here premium say wo mu nyina sefata
obi asefata
binti politician na why politics e clean the say wo di ida
obi asefata because say me pa no obi na bonfia say wo me de on kan woni ade no si ya to abari ni yi mini details na ya organizer ni para MPP ni o vote o abusia o nyankofo nti obi asefata enti ya kan no nyina na adwuma no akasa no di obetumi aye no aye bi pa no aye bi yie na ho akono no eno wa se mo so we
enti se wo kwati so obi gina ba bi no ye campaign o bolding kan sem bone de fa ho a obehu ni pa na se sen
wo ni pa se on MPP yi so ni se mi ya MPP ni no no so ya MPP ni e mo ka sa so ne fa me ho a on MPP yi bebre koso o mu frefre e bi frefre chairman for mi o mu hia no matimi aka akira won se DKM de nyo no de ne ko DKM de wanya mama ba womia enti we ni ense mebre na mi ye
sadi we da so ye
o da so ye juma na mi ya ba ye MPB na bo sa abra no
o ni se o de me ba o so o ni se me de gifti no asa na me be hunu se friends of Bawumia if you was
friends of Bawumia you may be a friend of Saddam or Swam constituency.
Yes.
Only was started friends of Bawumia.
Okay.
But that time was starting. No, no, so I know where we more. No, so a woman more person to say
okay.
Until we didn't come on when we say, Gabia to you, Swami. I am glad you were starting. I want them to cry. Until I'm going to Saddam. We must also sanity.
Okay.
It's one of the buyer Becca. No,
what's your organization?
Yes, we are
connected.
Correct.
I see.
Rebecca, your first approach, I said, in Akabuma. Now you are Dr. Mamuda near Bama and Shayin. And you're in Asa to us while you're quiet. 2012, I had told about you, who says somebody your Supreme Court. No, Yaba, Mujidi, and was a parry, that's a piano. A bit rabbi yet, or Mamu, Penny, Pie, Chain, the Ukuta na menye no mugidi na me bi gina muwa na empower de be five bearer vice president na me gina muwa na abisi ne na we mu ya no mu ka sa se DKM onye ba wo mi na me ya se o ntumi ka sa asem no me pese de bi em dia sisi ano ya to be five bearer wie eti nye ba wo mi asem na be ko to ba da bia sisi we mo na ko wa kese e bo bia fa bi enya ba bia na campaign ti obi se ba wonya pewe but le MP for bi okumasa bantu ya santo je arma say me bi na bo mudi
we de dikan e kire pa ne se wo mo mpenka bo wo mo nye akandifo metumi aka
party na bo mu
because wo betumi aka obi ni obi abomu a obi a wo na adwene obi a ne ogitum ya to aba na wie okay ya ko contest so aso bi apre
sanity
ni NDC ni MPP ade ya wonya campaign no mo ko
campaign people for go
mo nya Ghana campaign chire Ghana for
oh dey koso
but the moment I campaign at NDC ni MPP ni Ghana ni Fafa Anthony no it means wo hia wo munyina na arenji
we dey wo mo chebe fe ko fo ko she wo mo fie no maka adokoro se wa chire mo na wo ni msafo no so mo yesa no me ka da fidie so se wo mo so ni nkofo a party budget jara ko si wo mo so party budget on budget e fam yag mo reach ye mo no o mo ko fe ko si wo mo so a man fa nyag mo sabode ye na metiwe party budget o ye men ka ho ya fman ka tim bia ho
ya ka man ko si se wo hunu se wo se won to me nkwa e mo
ono ni ehwe
o disi kanzo wo nye di nhwe ne mane ni
ne fa be ye djuma no ho betra so
se djuma da so na so wo nya o be na hunu se
djuma no o nye
enu dia Sauguna ne wo. Because if you want to ride on the name of Bawumia, that's not how to do it. Prove to Bawumia say wuni majuma na obetumi aye.
Simple.
Not this sycophantic agenda na say for was all the
na me person na me wo moti because every member afidie si o so benya akwanya tie dia America no manya bi di a strategy as wo mo nsama be kan daache be so mo moti asese me ni wo mo time a me benya bre akoye wura Dr. Mamuda Bawumia ho kwa ka mo ho asema ya dai a kire no no mo de mo ye no eso aba na aso de mo ye no eso aba na aso na me nya bi so da me ye wa mamu ba oni abeka kire wa me ye bi a me nya sebi 1 2 me wa na wo ka so kire pani no since I started say party aduma me an hu se papa me penna sama no ye mu se da ben na ebere be na me ko me ni sa abere no se me ko no se da mo nya akwanya ko ho
ade achi a wo aduma wo so
wo se me ye mo ye campaign na so me mfa no so me campaign me ko de me free region we ko ada regions na me ko ye aduma but wo ya ma target say ye aduma wa ha me so ya ma target to me de me tumi boda bia bi to mo se aduma me ye no e na abo mu but can you say budget apart in the more region you know na me nka ho aduma no ko e bia no mo budget no husika ma me ho edi musa say we ye no nya sa ho de no de dom we say aduma no FA before no we do me say aduma no
tie na ebo mu
FA be coordinated bia o every constituency bia be say so mo executives ba meeting a o mo ko empty na mo we refer de ko o mo ko ama mo na ma mfango ye aduma e DKM enti say aduma we no na me party ni be bia na nations ye nko na ma start e ba pro ke ka che nko for say you dia na be dia o problem say so NPP ye dia just dirty camp na wo campaign nko for ke karo
na wo ni ndi o ye crowd wo ride on obidio na wo faction crowd man nya aduma wo mu
what is it no go on go this way so those was na ye aduma ni mobilize them no on fa be we ni power dan say o be fair region ni mpani for when the for some nko o fair chairman for no bi no mu sia na ka sa no chairman
o be so mu che say e bia one to amaba omi ana na support ba omi anti wunye MPP
nya MPP
ni wuni adwene a
metimi dia ye
ya party no ti se wo wasa adwene no kura na obetumi abo ba party no agina na so party na ba mu a wo go si wo na wunye ba omi anti no ye ma wonko tungu na fe wo mo san ko no mo ko be ase wo mo san ko di nkukuru
enti wo mo ba de mo mo no pe ni se o mo fi so o mo so mo ba omi ano aside budget apart here the campaign o mo nyifiro no mo ametre ade poti o mo agasa de mbotom sika here the boy campaign yes me say aside party budget ana team ade to amo say team we ka ho no aside no because you know ye team we dey team members no dey say mo asudi o say mo koye aside no when you are through no much ade poti a emu agasa the more the mobilization every year o mechere because me can compare to more constituency it let me constituency aduma but aside that no when no so for no say me region no aduma mo ko ba bia mo ni me dom enye me nko apese me face of bawumia for da bia bawumia ba asante region ha mo hall asoli dan bia bawumia ko sia party for no bia campaign time no mo ko na face of bawumia me ya ba na wo ya do mo ya ntade ya hofa na wo bisa se budget na mo ye no mo ba gi sika fi ni ko to ntade ndo mo share o mo ba no duani am ye mo ko mo party for no eno mi ni di ya na se mo ko mo ja party for ne ko first of all mi afọ mo na delegate no so ho na ja mo kwai oh these are issues are so mo trust e so wi na no adwuma no ba boro so we ni issues so mo se adwuma no ma boro so but be a yama na boroso but e me na ngiti bi wo mo ye ya me mitimi jira ni obi ni twa so problem a o mo wo no 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 mu twa so plant assembly hall
o ka assembly se di
me mo hu se dia mo ye no nya sa no se mo fa so because me ya e be ya se wote ha na basis cars na ma ye peka ko ye program o plan pass mo mami ka so na gana for ni party pen for chairman for a go share san ko for no o mi di mo gon se bi chairman for no asema mo ka mi kire mo ne o mo se ni DKM o mo ma me target se mi fe ni pa bi mra e mo ye program o plan pass am le ho e na so mo ma mi sika 50,000 se mi fa dom en fa mra ho mi ni pa 15 pe e na ba he yes o mo se chairman for ni o mo wa fie me say MPP na boss abra no o reji ye mo fa chairman for bi no mi share with fie asaba wo to chairman for na no me say me ni DKM ni o ma no mi 50,000 Seven Fanfa Bembra program, and the impossible. Then we pay 15 penny buy.
Or man to young Cassay, you man won't to me yet.
There be no call you on board, no. First quarter, no. It meant me to be a straightforward. May come about yes, me. More money 50,000 and Fanfa Bembra, and then some of the call budget to the the Paco is going to come not to some more than 50,000. That meet you know, I don't know what I'm going to. So I'm assistant secretary, so I'm a friend of my own national youth organizer. Program no account. A baby. National chairman Saddam, no account, no ruby. Many Germans are no more than the board of money in every year. The year Muslim the buses, no for them to do Marco in the city. Buses no more on the bus and number. Some from Ofra, brothers and Waha. Ofra is some Waha. Not so good. People are not about the table so. And I be a number of Mujra, table this one of Mujano also. And I'm a fire. Yes. And I'm a fire and we capture to me for so.
A full idea be
one also the coordinators time of about 11. No go for the real. No some forecast maybe. No more the car the budget. No father. No pay on. When I was a driver, this one friendly pay free to Betima. And the map let assembly here. About 350 Saturn. A bus.
Yes.
80 years and a month for them go stand every day. Number more shape with an man say, Car now is over for me one call. Nipples will more adoration. Manaka say coordinator or hair area, Abraham in I found an edu to do near for me. Edmay Oyebi. Tafu coordinator Oyebi. Obiana no car in your budget, but on budget now near Kutawa Mono. In a car back. Well, do 2,500 from a tomato to Prempa Assembly.
To Prempa Assembly could net and catch us over
250.
But almost
2,500. And I'm going to go here. And you mean that come back for the buy and I'm going to go Sika. Send me 350. No go for any Abentini. Kikamo, Granamica, Mabokra, Domina Banka. No, 3,000. It may go for the one that has a no. Or a bassico. I'll go empty around any palma. It's a million Panaba. But we are not good and good pictures. When we go to the chairman, only some more dance here. We are not me a man, so that I say, about the play with the organizer.
Okay.
But you never be around the year party noir, man, so that say run to her.
Yes.
But when we are to okay, and I push him say, the original organizer, I'm sure good lady. I be a woman, sure. And no seven original. And a man be more master tia, me a campaign. The more I push me, it did not know you may ever say, DK Obi Kaobi.
Okay.
Many levels Obi and Kaobi. But I didn't mistake here. As my man pushing me about, I know and the minimum more consequences and only necessary Namana. And no, I am plenty of women to Escarudia, and I'm a no Santa Conana government castle. And any problem on the wall, I say, DK, your man, Italian from Fanny Padumla, and the man's educated, and the man's educated, and some more. This guy's on the horn, more that's going to be some. Met some person, yes, I make I say, no, most of these guys saying 70,000 from Mobile.
It's your problem.
Member, some Diana, Mamma Scabia.
Chama, we did so fortunate, Breno, only never pedal. Because
we didn't say, I'm say, can be pushing some of your Panamo, time with the man, you know. And you just also move one motor one.
And you know that cannot be true. And I'm even surprised that yes, I have to do the few and we was winning.
Matthias, I am going to meet you.
Very well. Chama, what last message I did achieve for the delegate or more
last message about it's a mugu veteran. The best party baby I say. Even veteran committee a veteran was you disqualified. I mean just what we part of them for the right channel. Neko kawasam. Ebi abesaba back because all sa akwanya no. When ya sa akwanya na party no with DKM organizational work e dey ba no. Still we probably adwuma ya chen. Dey we no be officer because one officer we adwuma ya wa ye no constituency. We dey no so. The young go for don be gina center ho. No mo do adi adwuma na ma ye na question for so be mo dey to be dia ko veteran. Bibinti veteran committee disqualify on Mr.
Okay.
Mama pe he biama ko akoma to yam. Na duma kese da wa ye nyere ba ba ye. Asamani.
Mate ti enyina de mpabo ta chiri na afisu ya hwe se dia ebesi. Adetimene Daniel Kwaku Mensa dodo na frɛ no DKM. Maso Mosiaso. Ani ko de kan yo. Mosiaso assembly member constituency organizer the mama so nkwanta and afisu osanso ye national vice president the Nalak.
Na Ghana nyina kra ba chiri. I campaign be vice president or local government mo.
Yes.
Na party ba ko MPP. And as mama na region ba ko pe. Na me nyina mfimfina we ya adwuma ya de. No we metenete. We.
Organizer hopeful Ashanti region MPP edini mo na atise me no edi enkomo no. I mean call birthdays na yensi from utumi say nsem on komo ho ti chama be peda ne break. Na fi ya bibi ensem na ni said ya esi etie said ya daro me kan me say wo say nyina eda ne ayi lemon dube sebe ya sunsun tumi wura mu na o medidi ti oba no hu say wo nyono on tumi fa sebe ne nsem bia ma mefro eti ka be na ready I am call yen sha asem fa free happy birthday to sister Fedos ene Ophelia Mensa at Buoho. Hey, we are twins one. Yes. Twins, sister Fidelia rather, and Ophelia Mensa at Buoho. Twinning is winning your extraordinary bond, and it's going to bring a world of joy from Robbie and Odiwi. But see, happy birthday to you, twins. I remember the rest of my life in your face. Let's move on. Happy birthday to my beautiful wife, Abigail Jemfi, popularly known as Ya Baby. She stays at Buoho, another year and reason to celebrate the most incredible woman I know. May you fill my life with joy, laughter, and happiness from your husband, Robbie. Wow. Ukunu Edo Papa. Anyada Jeno Atrowi the amount. Robbie, happy birthday. And happy birthday to you to Kachiri's own. Kachiri birthday. Yay! Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, Article 4, Article 5. We see Kachiri Obi ho and all the happy birthday Edema from Caleb Achampon Boating. Kachiri Obi and Jenny if you was the area Dofo Caleb Achampon Boating or Checheni wo Bosomef Senior High Technical School. I see ma wo awoda pa ani munyam ehiem ochiro no twi ochire mu se odo ntinu ochiro no twi no ya da wasese wo ye nua pa adamfo ye betumi de ye ho ato so ni nhira kese ya wo de mabusua yi ye ni so wo pa na ye bompa ye se onyankopon be hira wo pi ama wo hoden akwan ho sanpa anigye nyansa ne nkoso wo bremu yesere se ntie everybody nyina yi enye ne esene ne atwam na onyankopon ma wo sonko anim wo bribiara wo yo emu awoda pa ye do pa happy birthday we free ya boache asmak kachire obi kwame baba nana yaw nana kesiwa Jennifer gifty ne wo ma menum nyina so happy birthday to you and a special 8th birthday to Nana Sewa of Hillward Academy Seshi Bako from your dad Nana Yaw Adujemfi at Germany and your siblings. So happy birthday to you, beautiful. Happy birthday also goes to you Kodela Nana Nyako Sikapahima, wishing you a fantastic birthday from your Estika Junior and all your family friends. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday also to you, Ernest Ochre, Kwame Ata at Ahenema Kokobeng from Say Wisdom of some passports. And Say Wisdom say, on my way up. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the show. Waka ye radio the atmosphere on the team Nina Yatis on Baba Sevo better wait fine stop sports. Me didn't Kwame Agyarko or Tim Kwansabisanka Barbara and so the direct show no Eddie Mai. On that note, live well before you leave. Good morning.